try
Here's
again.
Starbucks. Come in.
It felt like a big dog.
Look, you have like something right in between your teeth. Yeah. She right there at the bottom. Oh shit! Well, not shit, but so you have to do it right there. We were not able to detangle Faustino's hair, so we are grad supercuts. Hopefully they can do something to it. How do you feel?
I feel bad. I feel sad, I should say.
Seems like you're walking into the courtroom and
Yeah,
like
that's exactly what it feels like walking
that's
into court, waiting on the outcome of a trial, because I don't want this.
You get a haircut? Yeah, I got 2 knots. You got 2 knots? You want to cut them out or get them out?
Cut them out. So cut us close to the knots and let's try to preserve what I can.
Yeah, you got a mess here, dude. You want a souvenir?
Yeah.
See what you just mess, sir. Making sure to get the dead ends off.
So of course, with all these cats, it's got to be a lot of kitty litter boxes. You basically have their own toilet, or I guess their own bathroom, and it's a pretty cool idea, or a cool concept the way they have the kitty litters. They're actually outside. This is it. They basically the cats come through that hole, which the other side is in the house, and they come through this hole, and they use their the bathroom in these boxes. And this is not in the house. It's like a outside little closet area. So you can lift this up and bam, no smells in the house. So I'm about to change some kitty litter boxes.
So it is actually 12, no, I'm lying. It's 1:19, we're a little late. We would have come to you for lunchtime, but we got a little distracted because Daniel does online school and we were not able to access his curriculum. So he had a impromptu 2-hour break. Now he's eating lunch, I'm about to eat lunch, and we'll just carry on with the rest of our day.
So
we are about to go to the storm shelter. So this house comes equipped with a storm shelter. I've never seen one before. Come on.
oh wait.
There you go.
Remember something. All right, ladies
And gentlemen.
Here comes is Kimmy Schmidt. Oh wow. Go in there.
Okay,
Are you gonna
guys.
get locked?
Faustino wants me to go first. Let's see. Oh, it's cold down here.
What? A grasshopper?
It was a grasshopper, but I didn't know
real?
what it was.
Oh, look at them. They're jumping. Look, they're chasing each other. They're all like playing like little puppies.
You would think that was dogs, right? Yep. Nope, but it's not.
What did you do?
It's cows.
What
you
did you do?
I ran for my life. What do you mean? Because I thought I was being attacked.
From what?
I don't know. I didn't have, my brain didn't have time to process that. They got their 2 chairs. Oh, they have 3 chairs.
Oh, look. Got little lights and music.
They have their little light switches. Oh, look, they have their pet cages already ready and open. Some water. They have the little bags. Maybe there's some medicine or something in there. I'm not
See how
sure.
it is? The door closed? The lights
Nope.
on? Look, no?
I don't want to.
Alright.
Alrighty.
I'm gonna close it for y'all. Oh, wow. Yeah, they might want to
Okay.
know that. Let me close it for you. Go back in.
No, that's okay. How about I close it for you?
Alright.
So guys, school is done for the day. Daniel is finished. Not without his little accident. So we just bought him a MacBook Air, right? Because he's into graphic design and editing, making videos and things. Well, we've told him time after time, be careful around the computer, no liquids. And what happened? Hey, baby. Yeah, that is day right there.
Oh, look out, here they come.
Here they come.
They're running to us.
Let me back up a little bit. Hello?
We don't have no food.
I don't have any food for you. I know, I'm sorry. I can go and get some. You want to stay there or you want to meet me in the back by the girls? She said, come on. She about to go get some snacks for us. Y'all better come on.
They coming too.
Latte! Gonna kind of miss you, ladies. Look at this coming toward me. They are so very huge and those horns are so intimidating.
Right, but they're not. I mean, they are intimidating, but they don't use them like that. It's not against us.
What do you guys want? Some snacks? Let me hear you if you want some snacks. You have to. Alright, you'll get some snacks, child. I'm sorry. It was just too gross for me, babe. And then you're so mean. I don't know what you're gonna do. So here's the bamboo trees, and we are going to feed the donkeys. Here they come. Hi! Hello there! Would you like something? No, they eat this. Fuck this. You want this?
In my dreams, all I see is the caption. Tried to run, but there's nowhere to go.
They left, now grab with their teeth. That's pretty cool. That damn barbed wire is in the way. You can pet the you.
Hey, boo boo.
Oh, Lord.
Hi.
His dad coming like
2 days, yeah.
she just. All right. We'll have to see you another time. Probably never again.
Never ever. Bye bye forever. Bye bye forever.
We're heading back now.
Hey guys, if you're interested in house sitting, don't forget to click the link below.
And no words could explain how.
Say it again. That's not his name, baby.
Rockstone!
Don't take your hand out your pants now.
I'm recording, my hands not.
I don't admit I want you back. No matter what I say, still you know I do miss you. I'm trying to keep up with my eyes. Don't admit I want you back. No matter what I say, still you know I do miss you. I do miss you. I do miss you. I do miss you. I do.
Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe.
Hey.